Hello, I'm John Houston, Director of Business Services for Protrition Feed, and you're watching a Co-op Minute. One of the things that we want to talk about specifically is showing pigs. In showing pigs, when you receive your pigs, there's a couple of things to think about. As you're purchasing your pigs, how big do you want your pig when you're ready to show? That lets us decide and work backwards from the calendar to see how many days it will be from the time we purchase our pig till we go to the show ring. We want to make sure that we have enough time for that gain to take place, and if we have an unrealistic daily gain, then we might want to buy a larger pig. When you bring the pigs home, there's a couple of things to be concerned about. First and foremost, always with any livestock project, have plenty of clean, fresh water. This water needs to be clean. You think that sounds odd with pigs, but also the pen area needs to be clean. And what I mean by that is that there's no foreign objects that can hurt the pig as they're running around in the pen. Make sure that they can freely get to their feed, freely get to their water. As we think about feeding pigs, let's think about how much do I want to gain each day. Let's think about the feedstuffs we're using. Let's use feedstuffs to meet our goal. So every company, including Protrition, has a feed that will match up and help you meet your goals. One thing to remember, feed does not outdo genetic potential. So your feed is not going to make your pig any longer. Your feed is not going to make your pig any taller, for example. Your feed is to be used as a tool to help your pig meet its genetic potential. Thanks for joining us in this Co-op Minute, and check back next week for more tips.